In a world where the efficient utilization of resources is of paramount importance, the proper management of aluminium wastage and its recycling play a crucial role in building a sustainable future. Recognizing the significance of this mission, Century NF Casting has emerged as a pioneering force in the field of aluminium recycling. At Century NF Casting, we have mastered the art of aluminium recycling through years of experience and relentless innovation. Our plant incorporates cutting-edge technologies to process aluminium scrap from various sources, ensuring maximum recovery and diverting it from landfills. Central to our recycling process is a meticulous sorting procedure. Different scraps are processed mechanically, and then skilled workforce conducts final manual sorting, ensuring optimum use and creating value from aluminium scrap. Once sorted, aluminium is carefully loaded into different transferred bins for charging into high-temperature melting furnace. This transfer process, known as charging, seamlessly introduces the sorted aluminium into the furnace, where it is transformed into molten aluminium, operating at a controlled temperature of 700 degrees Celsius. Our furnaces ensure thorough melting and serve as the foundation for further refinement. To achieve the desired final composition, our advanced drossing process efficiently removes impurities and residues from the molten aluminium. Quality assurance is paramount in our operations. Through spectrometer sample molding, the molten aluminium is cast into sample molds, creating samples that exemplify the precision of our recycling practices. These samples undergo rigorous polishing, revealing a flawless surface that showcases the inherent quality of our recycled aluminium. To ensure the highest industry standards, our polished samples undergo a battery of tests during meticulous spectrometer testing. This rigorous evaluation guarantees that our recycled aluminium possesses the strength, durability and performance required for various applications. Once our recycled aluminium successfully completes the testing protocols, it is transferred to our state-of-the-art holding furnaces. Within these furnaces, the molten aluminium is carefully maintained at a temperature of 700 degrees Celsius, while a degassing procedure ensures the inertness of active gases, enhancing the stability and quality of our recycled aluminium. Before the molten aluminium is transferred from the holding furnace to the ladle undergoes a crucial heat treatment process known as ladle preheating. This step minimizes temperature differences, reducing the risk of potential accidents during the transfer process. After preheating, the molten aluminium is carefully tapped into the ladle. Following this, a comprehensive vacuum sample checking is conducted to verify the composition and integrity of the molten aluminium. Furthermore, a degassing process is performed to eliminate any remaining gases or impurities, ensuring optical product performance and stability. The ladle is then weighed, loaded onto trucks, and transported to the client's site according to their specific requirements. Our transportation procedures prioritize the integrity of the molten aluminium, preventing spills or mishaps during transit. Century NF Casting is driven by a deep sense of environmental stewardship and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Our recycling plant in Manesar, Haryana showcases our commitment to sustainable practices, technological innovation, and the production of high-quality recycled aluminium. By partnering with us, you contribute to a greener and more prosperous future for generations to come.